हेलो फ्रेंड्स एंड वेलकम टू वंस अगेन ऑन माय यूट्यूब चैनल डेली न्यूज़पेपर रीडिंग सेशन। तो चलिए हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं न्यूज़पेपर का एक आर्टिकल। नोएडा इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट सेट टू मिस सेकेंड डेडलाइन। द नोएडा इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट इन उत्तर प्रदेश जेवार डिस्ट्रिक्ट is set to miss the second deadline for launch. The aerodrome license for the operations of the flights is expected in May, officials said on Tuesday, a day after Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath chaired a meeting in Lucknow to discuss the progress at the airport site. The airport was expected to be open to the public in April after the October 2025-24 deadline was missed. A statement on Tuesday, Noida International Airport CEO Christoph Chalenman was quoted as saying, "The next major milestone is the granting of the airdrome license. Expected in May, the airport will begin operations with domestic flights with international routes to follow in the subsequent months." Last year in November, Noida International Airport Limited (NIL) CEO Arun Veer Singh said that the aerodrome license was expected by March 20 and that the airport operations would begin would any day before April 17. The flights will begin anything after March 20 and before April 17. For now, 3 international flights have been scheduled for day 1. We are considering international flights for Europe and the Pacific region. He was he said he had said at time. Monday's meeting, chaired by the CM, was attended the Tata Sons chairman N. Chandrasekharan, Tata Projects MD and CEO Vinayak Pai, Civil Aviation Secretary V. Vallanaman, and Zurich International Airport MD Daniel by Bicher. Apart from the Chalenaman, when the Indian Express contacted UP Chief Secretary Manoj Kumar Singh to seek the detail of the meeting, he refused to comment on the matter. The NIL CEO has earlier remarked that the flight schedule, number of flights and category of service were likely to be finalized at that meeting. A comprehensive report on the current status of Noida International Airport will be represented before the CM, Singh had said. The latest statement by the chairman highlights that the airport is making steady progress towards operational readiness. The Airports Authority of India is advancing its works in the air traffic control tower, while constructions of the passengers terminal and associated infrastructure in the progressing well, he said. Discussions are ongoing with the state and the central regarding the state of commercial operation, he added.